Hello guys, welcome to the Information Security newspaper channel. This is Miguel Lopez. So guys, today we got an interesting topic over here, so I want you to stay, and if you got any comments or suggestions, you know what to do, you can write them down. And I would like you to please help me sharing the video. Okay, so let's get started. Hey guys, don't you think it's really annoying turning out of data on our mobile devices and getting out of internet? Also, don't you think that the telecommunication companies charges a lot of money for the internet use? I mean, it's a lot of money. Hey guys, would you like to learn on how to Wi-Fi networks? So today we're going to explain you how to mobile networks, and well, we got a list of some applications you can use. So guys, remember that the Wi-Fi is this network we can use to connect our devices into the internet, and it doesn't matter where you stand up, there are several Wi-Fi networks over there, but unfortunately people is locking them with some passwords. Well, that's why we're going to give you a list of applications you can use to unlock the passwords of the Wi-Fi's. But guys, you gotta remember that actually there are several type of modems, several type of different protocols, and that's why in order you can unlock the password correctly or successfully, it will depend on the application you're going to use, okay? So guys, the applications I'm going to tell you right away are actually able in the Android Play Store. You can download them over there. And of course, there are a lot of different applications over there in the websites, in forums. Also, there are KPAs, but those are not available in the Play Store. So the ones I'm going to tell you right away are just available on the Play Store, okay? Okay, so the first application we got in this list, it's called WPS WPA Connect Dumper. Yeah, that's the name. Well, this application focuses in the verifying of the security of your Wi-Fi network. So what does this mean? That you can also use these applications to verify if the password you have in your Wi-Fi is actually secure. And well, if you can unlock your Wi-Fi with these applications, then you know that you should change your password. Anyway, this application already has more than 5 million users, which is a lot. And actually, this application was first developed for Android 4.4, but actually we recommend you guys to at least have Android 5 or higher. So the next application that we recommend you, it's pretty old, it's called Wi-Fi Password. Okay, so this Wi-Fi Password actually already has more than 10 million downloads, which is a lot. Actually, I've been using it before. And well, this app is for recovering the keys of your Wi-Fi networks in case you lost it or in case you forgot it. But anyway, it's also helpful for check the security of your network, like the others. And well, this application also, it was first developed for Android 4.4, but actually we recommend you guys to at least have Android 5 or higher. And well, particularly, I already tried this one, as I told you, and actually it's very useful. But as I told you first at the beginning, it depends on the type of Wi-Fi network you're trying to unlock, okay? So the third application is called WPS Connect. Okay, so this application actually in the description says literally that it will help you to unlock Wi-Fi networks. But as the first two other applications, actually you can use it also to check the security of your Wi-Fi. Remember, in case you can unlock your Wi-Fi with any of these applications, you should change your password. And well, this WPS Connect application already has more than 10 million downloads, which is a lot of downloads. And also, first it was developed for Android 4.4, but actually, again, we recommend you to at least have Android 5 or higher. Okay? I haven't tried this application yet. I mean, I tried it, but I was in my grandma's house, and there are not a lot of Wi-Fi connections over there, so I couldn't get a secure password for a Wi-Fi, but actually you can try it on some bigger places like at an office or a public places, and I'm pretty sure you'll unlock a Wi-Fi. So the fourth application we got here on the list, it's called WPS Wi-Fi Checker Pro. Okay, so this application now has more than 1 million downloads, It's pretty new compared to the other ones. And well, this application also works for verifying the security of your network. And it was also developed at the beginning for Android 4.4, but again, we recommend you to have at least Android 5 or higher. And yeah, I did use this application, and actually it worked. I was at a huge office back in downtown, and it really worked. So guys, as I have told you, I've tried these applications, but remember, it will depend in the type of Wi-Fi network you're trying to unlock, because remember, there are different type of modems, different type of protocols. So I want you to try several applications, and also you need to be patient, guys. So guys, I hope these applications work for you. Remember, we just record this video for educational intentions, and please do not misuse this information, guys. Okay guys, so that was it for today, but I hope to see you in the next one. And remember, if you want to view more of our content, we got our social media links down below. You can go ahead and try to follow us over there also. Well, again, my name is Miguel Lopez, and I hope you got an excellent day.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and support us on Patreon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.